going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Life Outdoors, and on this episode we are installing the Badlands Apex 12,000 pound winch and Rugged Ridge Stubby HD front bumper onto my 2021 Eco Diesel Jeep Gladiator. So buying this vehicle, it came stock as a Sport S. I didn't get any fancy options because I knew I was going to be doing a lot of upgrades myself, and I decided the first thing I was going to do was change out the bumper, put a winch on it, so that way I could at least off-road to the point where if I get into something a little sketchy, I'm able to pull myself out. Wheels and tires would have been great, a lift would have been great, but when it comes down to it, you can get yourself out of pretty much any situation with a good winch and a solid steel front bumper. So that's the first mod that we're going to be doing, and I chose the Rugged Ridge HD Stubby front bumper and paired it with the Badlands Apex 12,000 pound truck SUV winch from Harbor Freight. So I went with this winch because of good reviews on it, a good price point, a sale, and it is an excellent colorway. So it just looks really good. It's gonna match the scheme that I wanna go with this Gladiator, so I'm gonna try and keep it to the black and grays. And this winch just does a great job of looking good, performing well, excellent waterproof rating, and you guys will see a few more details about the winch in the video. For now, I'm going to hop into the unboxing. You guys can see what all comes in both packages, the bumper and the winch, and then I'll do a short and sweet install video. If you guys want a more in-depth video for the installs, I will link a video from Extreme Terrain below, so that way you guys can check out their bumper install video. There's no point in me trying to film a crazy install video because they do a great job over there. So check out their video below, and I hope you guys enjoy the look of the new front bumper paired with this Apex Badlands winch on my 2021 Eco Diesel Gladiator. that is a wrap on the install of my Apex Badlands 12,000 pound winch and my new Rugged Ridge HD Stubby front bumper. Hope you guys like the look. I'm absolutely in love with it. I think it adds so much to the vehicle. Can't wait to get the tires and the lift to fit the aggressive look of the Stubby front bumper. But for now, I'm gonna be able to be a little more comfortable going out on the trails, knowing that I can pull myself out if need be. Drop a comment below if you like the setup, what you want to see me do next, if you have ideas for the build, and I hope that you guys continue to follow along. I'm going to be doing a lot to this Gladiator Eco Diesel in the future, so stick with me. Be sure to subscribe, like the channel, like the video, and I will catch you guys on the next upload. Peace.